Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix. We'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your forgot your password on Facebook. If you're having trouble with your password, you not remembering your password on Facebook, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Open your Facebook app and then click on your profile icon. Then now over here on kind of the middle of your phone, you see options like add story, edit profile, and a three icon button. Now you have to go ahead and press on the three dots icon, and then you'll see a lot of options. Now you have to go ahead and click on the option of privacy center. Now scroll down and then you'll see the option of looking for more privacy settings over here, and then click on Facebook. Now you'll see here account centers option and personal details, passwords and security. So go ahead and click on the option of password and security. Next, scroll down and again click on password and security. Now go ahead and click on change password. Now you are going to change your password of Facebook, so you can go ahead and click on the option of Facebook. Now you have forgotten your password, so click on forgotten your password, and then you can choose a way to log in, like you can send code through WhatsApp, send code through Facebook notification, and you can click on any of this option and then continue. Now you have to follow the steps that Facebook is gonna give you, and in this way you can rechange your password and put a new one, and you can write it down somewhere so you cannot forget it again. This is how you can change your password if you have forgotten it. I hope this video helped you get back into your Facebook account or change your password. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.